Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. It's Tony, aka Mystics to You, and I'm here to show y'all my hair that I got from ALIPEARL. So with this order, I got a 6x13 frontal. My frontal is 10 inches. It's pretty nice. I have no complaints about it. I actually purchased 3 bundles with it. I got two 12 inches and one 14 inch. They are super soft. Pretty much how the pictures look on the site is what you get. They're really full. I only had to use 2 bundles with my install. And as you can see, you can use the 3 if you want like a fuller look. It came with a little gift, which was a hair wrap, which I thought was super cute. And I just want to show y'all how it looks just all together. I think that you really get what you paid for with this hair. There's little to no shedding, and it did have a smell whenever I got it. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. It smelled like kind of like the factory, but I fixed that. I was able to wash it with my conditioner and my shampoo. With that, I soaked it with tea tree oil, and that really helped it. So if you've ever ordered from them or you're interested in ordering from them, just comment down below and tell me your thoughts about them. I want to try their straight hair, but I don't know how it is. So yeah, just comment down below with your thoughts, and I will see y'all next time. Thanks for watching.